Hi, good morning. This is Venu Mallaredi. This is a capstone project for Azure ML Nano Degree program from university. For this project, I have taken incident log for IT service management. So this is from UCI machine learning data, and this data is primarily from ServiceNow platform. I got motivated because that is where I am working in. Now, I took this particular data and tried to do some sort of analysis. This data is for incidents, and then it will give us all the characteristics for those incidents when it is opened, what is the priority, when it is assigned to the vendor, and all those things. I took this historical data, tried to find out for that incident how much time it will take to resolve it. Now, I have used AutoML. I did some pre-processing here. I used AutoML configuration and then submitted this particular data for this experiment, and this has resulted into some run details here, and it has looked for all the um, algorithms to fit in the model. So this has resulted into successful runs, and finally this particular model provided me good artist score here in studio. So these are all the runs that are created, and this run has resulted into auto score of 0.503. Now I submitted this one for hyperdrive, and initially I created all the parameters for tuning hyperparameters. Then that is submitted, and I monitored all the runs happening here. Now if I see this runs in studio, so this has got um, the run successfully completed here, and these are the parameters I have chosen, and these are all the child runs for that particular model. Okay, now this has resulted into these things, and so when I go back and then see what the accuracy between these two models, now this hyperdrive model has given me a auto score of I think 0.45. Considered AutoML run, and that AutoML run is saved and published. Now here, if you see here, I took the best model here. Now these are all the details for the AutoML best model. You have here best model details, model deployment, and I registered that particular model here and try to deploy that model. Okay, these are all the deployment details here. Mm, so I can see the scoring. Let me see that URI. Scoring URI and other details. Register the model here, deployed the model, and this is the service logs, and I created web service here, and then this is the scoring you can see here. Now I used test data in this case, and then I have used that test data to test my predicted model, the best model that I have registered as web service. So when I use this data here for that test data, and I submitted the test data, and it has resulted into a prediction of 243. That means this incident took 243 hours to resolve this. So I have also saved web service logs, and then concluded the experiment, concluded, registered, and deployed, and you can see the web service here, just endpoint in this case. Thank you.